Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Safa Aulia Putri Alimsyah. I'm from Jakarta and I'm in grade 9 from Junior High School Muhammadiyah 1 Tangunan. So I wanted to tell you how to make iced coffee with milk. Iced coffee with milk is a drink consisting of cold coffee mixed with milk and sugar. This is a fresh and smooth variation of coffee, often served with ice to provide a cooling sensation. Iced coffee with milk is a refreshing option, especially on hot days, and is very popular in cafes. So, let's go straight into how to make it. First, put the coffee grounds into the glass. Next, put the sugar into the glass. And take a few spoons on hot water and put it in the glass. Next, stir until evenly mixed. You add ice cubes to the glass. And then stir until evenly mixed. And then you put full cream milk in the glass. And the final step is to serve and enjoy immediately. You can also add whipped cream or chocolate sprinkles for decoration, and you will get fresh and delicious iced coffee milk. Enjoy your drink creations and don't hesitate to experiment with flavor variations according to your taste. Good luck!